Looking to upgrade your workshop with a reliable drill press? Today, we'll break down 5 of the best drill presses on Amazon that combine power, precision, and value for professionals and hobbyists alike. Let's begin with the WOODSKIL 4208T 8-inch 5-speed benchtop drill press, a solid entry-level option for anyone starting out or needing a compact, budget-friendly solution. This model is driven by a 2.3 amp motor and offers 5-speed settings ranging from 740 to 3,140 RPM, giving you enough flexibility for light-duty drilling in wood, plastic, and thin metals. The half-inch keyed chuck provides good compatibility with a range of bits, and the cast-iron construction adds welcome stability. While it lacks premium features like a laser guide or digital display, the WOODSKIL 4208T shines in simplicity and dependability. For under $100, it's an exceptional starter drill press. Next up is the SKIL DP 9505 0010-inch drill press. Designed for precision, this machine steps up the game with a 6.2 amp motor and a 5-speed system ranging from 610 to 2,800 RPM. What sets this model apart is its integrated laser alignment system, which dramatically improves drilling accuracy for repeated tasks. It also includes an adjustable table that tilts from 0 to 45 degrees, ideal for angled drilling in wood or metal. The construction is noticeably more robust than entry-level models, and the added depth stop ensures consistent hole depths during production work. It's a great choice for woodworkers and metalworkers who want enhanced control without spending a fortune. For those needing more precision and power, the WOODSKIL 4212T 10-inch variable speed drill press is an excellent step up. This model features a 5 amp motor and true variable speed ranging from 530 to 3,100 RPM, an advantage over fixed speed designs. A digital readout allows you to monitor the speed precisely, which is especially useful when switching between different materials like hardwoods and mild steel. The WOODSKIL 4212T also includes a laser guide, adjustable work table, and cast iron base for added stability. This model strikes a fine balance between pro-level performance and workshop convenience. If you value speed control and digital accuracy, the 4212T offers excellent bang for your buck. Moving into more heavy-duty territory, the BUCKTOOL DP 10VL 10-inch drill press combines power and versatility, making it suitable for a wide range of projects. This model is equipped with a 6.0 amp motor delivering up to 3,100 RPM across 5-speed settings. It's built with a laser alignment system for precise hole placement, and also includes an LED work light, ideal for dimly lit garages or basement shops. The work table tilts and adjusts to suit various materials and angles. Overall, this drill press is a great fit for intermediate to advanced users who want a reliable, powerful tool with thoughtful features that improve workflow and safety. Finally, the WOODSKIL 8-inch benchtop drill press offers strong performance in the budget category. It includes a 2.3 amp motor with 5 speeds ranging from 750 to 3,200 RPM, making it capable of handling basic drilling tasks in wood and soft metal. The cast iron base provides stability, and the adjustable work table tilts up to 45 degrees for angled drilling. It may not have extras like a laser or digital display, but it's sturdy and straightforward. If you're limited on space or just getting into woodworking, this model delivers excellent value at an affordable price. Thanks for watching. Check the video description for links to each of these top-rated drill presses. Stay productive, stay precise, and keep building smarter.